Hey mamas, I know how restless those last few weeks before your baby comes can be, and how it can be overwhelming as you're trying all the things to help baby make their way naturally if their due date or induction date is right on the horizon. It's easy to feel anxious towards the end of your pregnancy, but we know how much stress, anxiety, and fear can impact the pregnant body as it prepares for and then goes through labor. If you're at the end of your pregnancy and feeling those nerves or feeling overwhelmed about trying to naturally bring on labor, this meditation is for you. During it, I hope you're able to completely relax and trust that everything is happening as it should be and that your body is making progress and doing what it was built for. Sometimes after trying so hard to control when labor starts and how much things are progressing, instead of making progress, our bodies are so bound by stress, it's too tense to do the work that it needs to make the progress that you're looking for. So take this time, mama, tune into your body and your baby and allow the relaxation to ease your mind and eliminate any of that tension that you've been holding on to in the final weeks before you get to meet your baby. I'm Bridget and I'm a birth doula in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I love helping moms love their birth. So if you are new to this channel and you want to be informed and empowered throughout your pregnancy, your birth, and your postpartum period, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then hit the little bell next to that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. As we start, place your hands over your belly and baby and take a few deep breaths with me. Inhale, exhale, I am connecting my breath to my baby. My breath is my baby's breath. Inhale, exhale, when I relax, my baby relaxes. Inhale, exhale. As I breathe deeply, my body falls deeper into relaxation. My forehead is soft, my jaw is loose, my shoulders release all of their tension. I let go of holding in my belly and let it soften and provide space for my baby to move into a position optimal for birth. My legs are feeling heavy with relaxation. Inhale, exhale. With this next breath, your full body from head to toe is now at rest. Inhale, exhale. My whole body is at rest. My baby and I are safe in this environment. In my mind's eye, I can visualize my baby settling head down and engaging in my pelvis. My baby and I are working together to prepare my body for birth. I am softening and I am opening. My cervix will ripen, shorten, and open in its own timing. I am patient with my body and my baby. I look forward to giving birth. As labor approaches, my body is preparing the way for my baby to be born. Time is my friend as I eagerly await my baby's arrival. My baby will be born healthy and at the perfect time. I trust in my innate wisdom and ability to give birth. I am the expert of my own body. My body was designed to grow, birth, and nourish my baby. I am tuning in to the needs of my baby through the sensations of my body. I will let the sensations of pregnancy and labor guide me towards a healthy and safe birth. I am proud of what my body has and will accomplish. I trust my instincts. I accept and love the way my body has allowed me to grow and nourish my baby through pregnancy. Now, I accept and love the way my body is preparing to birth my baby at whatever pace it needs to. My body and my baby set the pace. When my body moves, it finds optimal comfort now and during labor. Even now, I am moving my body in ways that keep me sinking further and further into comfort and deep relaxation. I am focusing my mind on the part of my body that feels most at ease and letting that sensation fill my whole body. All I need to do is relax. I'm letting go of fears, stress, and worries, and I am embracing peace, patience, and excitement as I await the birth of my baby. I trust in the process of pregnancy to make my baby healthy, strong, and ready to be born when the time is right. I am the author of my own birth story. I am worthy of an empowering, peaceful, and positive birth experience. I am wise and bold enough to make decisions that will best suit my birth experience. No one knows my body as I do. My baby and my body know when birth should begin and how it should progress. When I relax, my uterus works more effectively and easily. I accept all of my emotions surrounding the birth of my baby as part of me and part of the process of preparing for birth. I feel joy, purpose, and confidence as I move towards my birth. I find comfort in my breath. Every inhale washes peace over me, and each exhale lets go of my body's tension. I am ready to embark on the journey towards meeting my baby. I accept the challenge of labor and know that I will be empowered by it. Strong surges bring my baby into the world. I will welcome each surge and know that I am safe and that my baby is safe. I accept and am ready for the intense sensations that will bring my baby to me. My birth team and I are advocating for me, my baby, and my birth experience. I make decisions that are best and safest for me and my baby. I am proud of myself, no matter how my birth goes. To end these moments with your baby, tell them how much you love them and what about them you are most grateful for. When you are ready, take one last energizing breath in through your nose and a purposeful exhale from your mouth. Well, Mama, I hope that you are feeling relaxed and ready to take on however long you have left in your pregnancy. You are capable and worthy of a birth experience that you love no matter what form your birth takes. When you are informed and respected and involved in your birth, you are going to experience a powerful event that makes you feel empowered and confident. So thanks for being with me in this video, Mama, and I will see you in the next one.